Hey guys, it's Corey here. I've got this new crowd apparently that likes vacuuming, and I don't. I'm just trying to get my head around that. So I'm going to make a specific vacuum video here for all the new followers that I keep getting on YouTube. I went out to do a job today, and I was going to be stretching some carpet for a lady, and she didn't want the furniture to be moved. So that was the only job I had scheduled today. So I didn't work, actually. So I went to a pawn shop and looked around at different vacuums and stuff, but I'm going to be using the Sanitaire for a while longer, and if I do any other vacuum videos, I'll do like a comparison, you know, like Sanitaire versus Kirby versus Oreck or something like that, and who knows? We'll see where it goes. Anyway, I'm going to do, I've got 2 rooms I'm going to vacuum here at the house today, and I'm going to turn the light off upstairs and use the headlight on the vacuum or something like that fancy too here. So let me turn the camera around. All right, we're going to be vacuuming around my buddy here, Dave. He's the guinea pig. He's our little buddy. Got a guinea pig named Dave. Come here, Dave.
Dave.
Come on, Dave. Come out and say hi. You won't. You won't do it. We've got a cat that fears the vacuum, and Dave doesn't care at all about the vacuum. He thinks it's just fine. He's a brave little pig. And give Dave some nibbles. If you'll look right here, the vacuum actually vacuums the carpet off of the floor by the steps whenever you run the vacuum near it. It's weird. The carpet's loose, but it's an incredible amount of suction this old-timey vacuum puts out. Can't really see it on camera. Yep.
Here.
Plug it over there. Yep. I think most of you guys that watch this channel know who Joe Wheeler is. I was talking to both of those guys today, Joe and Jay Wheeler, and I was telling them I sure hope my old college buddies don't see this. Old high school buddies. Like, what's the matter with Corey now? He's vacuuming on YouTube. Stuff. There's a lot of noisy stuff. Oh. It's bird seed. Alright guys, we're going to take the vacuum upstairs and got a big room up there. We're going to use the headlight in the dark and see if that works really well. All right, we are coming upstairs here, and we have a cat that I hate. Her name's Chloe. She
Don't
hates.
hate her.
I said it wrong. She hates the vacuum. So here we go. Watch as we get closer to her with the vacuum. You think she'll jump? I hope she doesn't. She's growling like a little dog. Wow. Any other vacuum channels got that? And I bet not. Got a little bobcat here that hates vacuums. I wonder if she likes Oryx better than Sanitaires. I wonder if she's maybe a vacuum enthusiast that hates Sanitaire. That's probably what it is.
Oh, her door's closed too. Hang on.
You gonna let her in her door?
Yeah.
There we go. Now we're safe.
Did you see what bigger tail?
Yeah, her tail swells up whenever she gets pissed off or scared or something. All right, you got plugged in? Alright guys, I am done vacuuming here at the house now. I hope that if somebody likes the video out there, please like, share, subscribe. It helps the channel. Trying to get to 1,000 subscribers so I can get monetized. That's been working on that for 3.5 years now, I believe. Up to 425, 424, 425. I need 1,000 subscribers to get paid anything for all my effort. Anyway, there's another buddy of mine just began. He's a janitor. He just began a YouTube page. His name is Roland Downs. You can go look him up and tell him that Corey sent you over. So go subscribe to his page. He knows a lot more about vacuums and stuff than I do. He was explaining to me that the Sanitaire, apparently, it vacuums lower down in the pile than the Oreck does. The Oreck basically gets the top of the carpet. The Sanitaire digs at least halfway down through the carpet fiber, and it does a better job. So it's not just surface vacuuming. Anyway, I believe that's about all I've got to say here today. I've never done just a straight up vacuum video before. I didn't know there was a crowd for that. I've always profiled all of my cleaning and all of my carpet repairs. The repairs are what I feel closest to. But anyway, if you guys like watching vacuum videos, we can certainly do that. So thanks for watching, and God bless. See you tomorrow.